Okay, here's part 2 of it. So after you assemble the stack, you want to make sure that this thing holds pressure. As you can see, it's holding pressure. And if it doesn't hold pressure, your carburetor will not perform correctly. So we've got this thing pumping off. I got it knocked. I still have to, see it's holding at about 8. It'll hold about 7 actually. Pops off around 8. Once you run this thing in a little bit, it'll pop off a little lower. But it's an alcohol carb. We set it up for alcohol. Another thing I want to talk about. We always use these red caps. And the reason why we do, because the original one, I don't know if you can see that very well, has a very small inlet hole compared to the red one. And the red one has a much larger diameter ID on the inlet there. Let's see if I can hold these two together. You can see that. You can see the difference. I mean, it's physically visible. So you always want to run these. I don't recommend the tall caps because they can get air bubbles in them, and this whole thing works basically on a siphon principle. So that's about it. That's part 2 of my MIKUNI tune-up kit.